Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily fix that you don't have alarm sounds or notifications on your Honor 6X phone. So, at first you have to turn off the battery saver for the key applications. At first enter settings, here enter the battery, which will be here if you scroll down, and here we have to go to the app launching. We have to find here close up cluster screen lock. Here we do have lock screen cleanup, and we have to disable it for our key applications. Here we do have don't close in every single application, and if you have some enabled, we have to disable it. For example, for WhatsApp, for clock, Gmail, Messenger, Facebook, etc. Thanks to this option, our phone won't disable the notifications, won't disable the application itself, etc. It should help us. Now we have to go back, and here in the older versions of MIUI, for example 5.x, here we do have 5.0.2, we have the applications that are safe. Here, to add to the safe applications list, at first we need to search for the option which is called the of course save applications. We have to at first go back, and here we have to go here to the settings at the top and search here for the app. Here we have to search from this list for the ignore battery optimization. We have to tap that and tap the first option, which is the ignore battery optimization. Here we have to select this arrow, tap all apps, and search for our favorite applications. For example, here we have compass, you can tap allow. It's just for the demonstration for the compass. Apart from that, we can go to the notification settings and make sure that we have our notifications allowed. Let's go to the first page of the settings, and tap notification and status bar. Here as you can see, we have post notification light, notifications turn on screen, display key, your name, notification method, display network speed, and battery percentage. We have to tap notification management, and here we have to search for our favorite applications and enable the notifications for our app, each app. Apart from that, we have to turn off the do not disturb mode. I don't really think that you have the do not disturb mode enabled, but I recommend to turn it off. At first you have to scroll from the app down and search for the do not disturb mode. Here, as you can see, we don't have this mode. We have to tap this pen icon, which is here, and drag do not disturb mode here to our common used shortcuts. If you have this icon blue, it means that you have it enabled, but if you have it grayed out, you have it disabled, so don't worry. Here now it's enabled, and here enable, and now we can disable this option. Apart from that, we can check if we have some gestures for the muting our phone. So at first, let's go to the main page of our settings, and here we have to now go to the accessibility settings. Let's go down until we see, for example, smart assistance here, and here we can say if you have some older or newer MIUI versions, you can search for the notification settings. Here I don't see this, but if you have some worries about that, you can disable or enable these options. Apart from that, you can turn off and on your phone, reboot it. So you have to hold the power button here, tap restart, and tap restart again. It should fix this issue. Let's see us when the phone is rebooted. Here, as you can see, we have now our phone rebooted, and the next step is to check our phone in the safe mode. If you have some app, third-party application, and we can think that this is the fault of this application, we can enter the safe mode and check if something is here wrong or good. If everything is good and clear in the safe mode, it means that this is some third-party application issue. To enter the safe mode, at first we have to turn off our phone, power off, and now we have to, when turning on our phone, hold the volume down button. So we have to hold these two buttons, power button and volume down button, these two. Until we see our phone booted up. Apart from that, I recommend to have all the applications in your phone updated to their latest versions, because maybe some applications are bugging, etc. So yeah. Now, as you can see, we have the booting screen. Let's hold the buttons, and now we can tap 1, 2, 3, 4 our pin, and now we can actually check if we have some problems. And the fourth option, but not fourth and final option, is that we can factory reset our phone. To do so, we can go to settings, scroll all the way down to the advanced settings. Here, scroll all the way down to backup and reset, and tap factory data reset. Here we have to tap this checkbox here and raise in our storage, and tap reset phone. I won't show you this because I need this phone with the data I have on it, but now everything will be resetted. Just the phone will be as good as new. Of course, it will delete all your photos, contacts, videos, apps, data, accounts, system applications, everything that's on the phone. Your phone will be just resetted and as good as new, as I said earlier. And it should work for you, but if it still doesn't work, you have to contact the device support service so that they can fix it for you. And that's it from me. I hope you liked this video, hope you enjoyed actually, and I hope that your phone now works nice. If you have some questions, if you have some drawbacks to this video, tell me in the comment below. I will respond to this comment and I will help you fixing your phone further. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.